Dr. Virgines, pasensya na po. Kasi letter V po kayo alphabetical. So anyway, in the surveys, in the Magic 12 kasi mga panay re-electionist yun, mga very familiar names. Your name is not that familiar, no? Are you confident that you can still get in?
Wala naman isa man sa kanila na dating familiar. Pare-pareho lang naman ang pinag-umpisahan namin. Pero mahina lang naman kami dun sa mga binabayarang survey. Why don't we consider those surveys na hindi binabayaran, like Facebook? Nandun ang pangalan. Number 6 ako dun
Sa Facebook survey, lumalabas po yung pangalan.
Number 6 ako.
Talaga? Ilan po yung, kung meron po kayong fan page sa Facebook? You have a fan page or you have your own personal...
No, actually, wala akong panahon para doon. But most of my friends were telling me, gagawin namin na ilalagay ka namin doon. And then, just, nabigla na lang ako, number 6 pala ako doon.
Okay, nabigla din kami doon. Okay, the final stretch of the Susi Politics Meeting the Avances series with Bound Pilipinas when we come back. Stay right. Welcome back. This is the final stretch of the Susi Politics Meeting the Avances series with Brother Eddie Villanueva, Perfecto Yasa, and the Bound Pilipinas senatorial candidates. I'm Pia Ontiveros. Brother Eddie, there were reports that you had withdrawn or are withdrawing in favor of ERAP, of former President Estrada.
Masyadong fabricated yan. Silang marahil na dapat mag-withdraw dahil ang momentum ng support sa amin, nationwide and worldwide. Imposible na matalo ang Bangon Pilipinas. Katulad nito, yung Baptist Philippines, represented by Dr. Jim Logias, yung United Ulamas, at saka yung 38 chieftains ng 38 tribes doon sa Mindanao, nag-public support sa amin. Napakahirap ignorin ang cry for change ng million tao ngayon sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Yung nga lang, hindi na-reflect po sa survey,
Hindi kami nag-subscribe sa survey companies,
Okay.
Ang aming pinagtitiwalaan, the conscience of the Filipino people clamoring for genuine change.
Okay. Brother Eddie, Jamie Madrigal was here about 2 weeks ago on the show, on the Meeting the Avances series, and she was saying that she would give way to any of the other independents, meaning you or JC or Nick Perlas, no? But she says that if it were between Noy and Mar, she would go for Noy. What is your stance?
Well,
sorry, not Noy and Mar, Noy and Villar. What am I saying? Noy, Aquino, and Manny Villar.
I respect the sentiments of everyone. Basta ang sa amin, non-negotiable kami na ipaglaban namin ang tunay na pagbabago sa magitan ng bagong politika, bagong economic model, na magkakaroon ng tinatawag na economic revolution characterized by wealth creating and equitable wealth dispersal policy na magsasaka, mangingisda, manggagawa, maging tricycle driver, taxi driver, jeepney driver, at saka yung mga OFWs. Ang pangarap namin, mag-uwian niyan kapag sinimulan namin ang economic revolution na massive entrepreneurial training centers na may offer lang ng isang pamahalaan na hindi beholden sa corruption.
Okay. For your final word, Brother Eddie, we have 30 seconds. Reproductive health bill, you said that you would approve of it, but there were some provisions that you would want removed. What would that be?
We are in favor of sound family planning, responsible parenthood, but against all forms of abortion. Kaya
merong abortion?
Kaya kung ano man ang merong tinatawag na abortifacient ways, hindi namin papayagan yan. So, sa madaling salita, ay aming tatayong isang leadership example with moral authority, transparent ang lahat ng transaksyon ng gobyerno. Walang transaksyon sa gobyerno na hindi alam ng taong bayan. Kaya mawawasak namin ang aparatos ng korupsyon at saka yung multi-billion na masasave sa korupsyon, magagamit namin ito para buhayin muli ang mga local industries at saka ang massive entrepreneurship sa iba-ibang dako ng Pilipinas.
Okay, maraming salamat po to our guest tonight, Brother Eddie Villanueva and Mr. Perfecto Yasa, and the senatorial candidate, 7 7 of the 9 senatorial candidates of Bang Pilipinas. Thank you very much. Lucky blessed 9 senatorial votes. Thank you very much.
Sa corruption yan, ha?
Okay. Salamat po. Join us again next Tuesday, April 6, for the 4th of the Strictly Politics Meeting, the Avante series, with Senator Dick Gordon of the Bagong Bayan and his running mate Bayani Fernando. I'm your host, Pia Ontiveros, making sure it's nothing personal. It's Strictly Politics. Thank you. Good night.
Pagkakagawa, pag-isimulan, dito pa sa taguyod ng bayan.